back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lady Raga for April month. So this is the pouch which I have received. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, I really want to tell you that yes guys, I was not really regular on my channel. In fact, I was not uploading any video on my channel. That's because I had my exams and don't worry, now they are over. So I'm back here. But I want to thank you guys for supporting me, for sending me so many good wishes. Thank you so much. Plus, you guys liked the video which my sister did on my behalf. So thank you so much. And that means a lot actually. So thank you guys. Now let's come back to unboxing. We'll be unboxing Lady Raga for this month, April month. The price for a monthly subscription is 555. I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box so you guys can check it. Now, this is the info card. Let's start with the first product. The first product is by Geo Girl USA and this is the Cutie Pie Mineral Blush. The price for this one is 895 rupees. And let me tell you, I have already used it. It's a really good blush. The color is really pretty. Just have a look. The shade of pink. And you know, I love pink shade. So yes, I'm happy and I've used it. So the pigment and everything, the feel and everything of this product is really nice. So super happy with this. And of course, it's very cute. 895 is the price. So very happy with this one. Move on to the second one. The second one is by Ellen Blue and this is the Crayon Gel Eyeliner. The shade name is Emerald Green. The price for this one is 399 rupees. And let me tell you, I have already used it. This one is really nice. It's so soft. It just glides so smoothly. I love it. And the shade is green. I love color pencils. So yes, I'm super happy. Let me just show you the shade. This is the shade. It's green. Emerald green is the color. So yes, super happy with this one. 399 is the price. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is scrub from Magic Dust and they have two different products. First is not product, two different variant I would say. The first one is the charcoal one which I have received. The second one is the Dead Sea Mineral scrub, so you can receive either of it. I have received the charcoal one. Let's talk about this. 550 is the price and this is how it looks. The quantity is 50 gram, manufacture of November 2018, best before September 2020. And yes, Magic Dust has some really nice products. So I'm looking forward for this one. The next product is by Freedom London. It's a lipstick. The price for that is 295 rupees. Now you must be thinking why I'm not showing you the lipstick. That's because I have not received my lipstick. I don't know how come, but yes, I have not received it. But don't worry, I have messaged Lady Raga team. They will be sending me the lipstick very soon. So I'm waiting for that. You will be getting random shades. 295 is the price and the brand is Freedom. Now let's move on to the best part of this month's box, which is that in this bag, you can select two products of your choice, which is amazing. So you can select two products of your choice from a big list of products in which you will have different brands, different product, which is amazing. So I love it. I have selected my two products, which I will be showing you. And if you want to select all the products, of course, you have to buy this box. For that, just click on the link, which I will be mentioning. Click there and you will see the options to select the products. Now I have selected these two products, this one and this one. The first one is this. This is by Oral Purity and this is the Cherry Blossom Body Butter with SPF. So yes, I love it. This is the body butter with SPF, which is amazing. I have already used it and I loved it. So that's why I've chosen this. The price for this one is 599 rupees, manufacture of March 2018, best before 3 years from the manufacturing date, and I really loved it. The fragrance is really nice. Then it has SPF, which is amazing. Now the second product is by Khadi Natural. This is the tea tree oil. 15 ml is the quantity. And why this? Because I use this in my DIY face pack. So yes, a very useful product. And of course, tea tree is a really good thing for your face, for your hair. So very good product. And of course, I'm happy with this one. So now the price, let me tell you the price. Wait, 399 is the price for this one. So that's all what I have received in my Lady Raga for this month, for April month. The total worth of all the product is 2,139 rupees, which is almost 2,200 rupees. So I think it's a good deal. I love it. Why? Let me tell you, because in this you are getting one lipstick, you are getting a gel eyeliner, then you are getting a blush there. So 3 makeup product. Then you have choices for two not makeup product, but two products, and the total worth is 2,200. I think it's a good deal. I personally love it. And if you guys also like it, you can just go ahead and place your order. And one more thing before ending the video, let me tell you guys that last month I have missed the giveaway because of my exams. But don't worry guys, this month I will be coming up with a giveaway video. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Now that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.